Hello, maurieo! AUTOCAD Basic 4.3 Polar Tracking. Hello, welcome. Well, in this video we're going to take a look at polar tracking. Polar usually means it involves angles, has been my experience, but let's go over there and have a look to the large screen. So here we are, all set up here, and we'll go do our little book and follow through. So first thing is to open the file pattern M, which is just here, and we open that up. It's got the grid turned on, so we'll turn that off. Okay, and in the status bar expand this here, which is the polar tracking thing there, and tracking settings, and oh, I've done this previously, so want to add an additional angle. I'll just delete that one there. So we want to select additional angles and collect new, and we wanted to add a 35. Okay, and press OK. So that'll add 35. Okay, now in the status bar we expand it open again, and we select this, I'll put it there, select 4590, oops, so select 4590, 135, 180, and ensure our polar tracking is turned on. Yeah, that's right, it toggles on with F10, so sometimes you remember those, sometimes you don't. I don't use polar tracking a hell of a lot, so yeah, I don't sort of remember that. But ones that I do use, like Object Snap F3, I think, and Ortho F8, I have committed to memory because I've used them constantly over time. Okay, so start the line command, and down in the bottom left here, and then start here and to the right, tracking line 0 degrees, and we want to go 190. Okay, so that's that one there. All right, we could possibly make that a little bit bigger, maybe just put that there. Right, now, and the next, turning over the page of the little booklet here, the next one is move the cursor up and to the right to the 45 degree, well, yeah, 45's showing there, and type 100. Okay, oops, I lost me track of me line there. Know why that is, but anyway, I'll just start the line again, alpha line, and just hook on the end there. All right, now it says follow the diagram here. Now this diagram's a little bit light here, so I might have to bend down and disappear for a little while, but so we're going 90 and 50 up there, so that's 50 there, and then out here I think that's 100 there, like so, and then we're going up here at, it looks like 35 degrees. So there's that 35 degrees that we put in there, and that's 100. Okay, and I'm just going to move this down over here like so, and then we're going to go up there 50, across here 75, almost got to get my magnifying glass out to see these, 75, and up here 25, and across here looks like 215. Okay, and Now this angle here looks like 45. 225. 225 is actually 45 there, or 135. That's fine there. 225 or 135. That's actually okay. Because it's measuring from there, where it should be on here is measuring from the top. I don't know whether we can get it. Yeah, that's 135 there. And that's 100 down there. That is okay. Alright, this goes down there, and then this is 50 down here. Okay, and then out here again. This is 35 degrees. 225. I can't get it to do the 35 degree one. 225. That's 45. 215 would be 30 degrees. 22. 145. 135. 125. Oh, it doesn't seem to be wanting to do that one. Interestingly enough. I don't know why that. Let's see this on the tracking settings. The 35 is there. Yeah. 35. Okay. So it's not. Yeah. It'll do the 180, but 225, but not the not the 35 from there. So that's 45. Okay, so we could do it up here. All right. I'm going to try this another way, because that doesn't seem to be working. Here we go. I've got it there. Continue. For the last angle, the 35 degrees does not work because it is the opposite or complementary angle, which is 145 degrees. Type the distance. Do not press enter, and then using the tab make 145. There you go. So I was looking at the diagram and that was over the page. So, yep. So type in the distance. Type in the distance, which is, so that's a little bit tricky. Type in the distance, which so that is 100. So 100, and then tab 145, like that there, and then that should, I don't think we're going to get C for close here, because no, it doesn't like that either. So I'm just going to join that back down there like that, and just try that there like that, which is 270 and 75. So that's all good. So that's yes. So we went through there. The last angle was 35. Okay. And 35 plus 145 is 180. That's what they mean by complementary. So just press tab and then save and close the drawing. So there we go. It's all drawn up there. A little bit of trickiness there in that last one there. As you can see, 215, which is the opposite of 315. If you put that, you can 215. Just if I just go, for instance, here, rotate, and I rotate that there through 180 degrees, you'll see that that is now 35 degrees. It's just going the other way. So going from here, one way is 35 degrees, and the other way is 180 degrees opposite. So all good. Okay, I might just put that back to what it was. So right there, just right click, rotate, select the midpoint, just select 180, flicked it around the other way. So that's back how it was at 215 degrees for 100. So that's all well and good. So let's go File, Save As, and that was pattern M, so we'll save that there. Yes. Okay, and then what does it say? Save and close the drawing. File, close, and that brings us back to there. So there we go. That's a little polar tracking exercise, a little bit of trickiness there at the end. Yeah, follow the instructions. It all goes well for you. Cheers. See you.